Hi guys, welcome to my channel Creative Videos. So as you have seen on the thumbnail, today we are going to make an pencil box for small children. So let's start. For the things you will need are this is an box which was waste for. Today I'm going to use it. Then this is power paint, crayons, Fevicol, scale and pencil, and one A4 size sheet I'm going to use it. First I'm going to check whether it is stable when I will get pencils, pens and all. So this is a bunch which I'm going to keep here. So as you can see, it is not falling, means it is stable. It is ready for making pencil box. So let's start making. So I will take this A4 size paper and I will fold it into half size. The A4 size paper you can take 1, 2 or more. My box is small, so I'll take one. Now with pencil, as you can see, I will put here correct and I will mark it with pencil like this much. So this much I will mark, and the same I will do here. Here I will cut here, and I will mark here this much. So as you can see, now I am going to cut it. I will cut both the sheets together so that I will get two sheets at one time. So as you can see, I have cut it two pieces, one for this side, one for this side. So now we will paste. So now I will apply Fevicol to the box, because if you apply to the paper, it will not paste neatly. I will do like this, means I have pasted here now. I will do the same at this place also. So I will do and show you. So as you can see, I have pasted both the sides. Now the time is to draw the drawings. So on the thumbnail you may have saw that this side is day and this side is night. It will be so gorgeous for children to make. If you give it to children, no, they will make it so nicely. So first I will take an pencil and scale, and with pencil and scale I am going to draw 5 slight lines. I will show you. So as you can see here, I have drawn 5 slight lines. This is the part where you are going to draw day times. So now it's time to color. First I will color here green and here blue. I'm going to use oil pastels. If you want to use wax crayons, means which you get in shops, you can use that. I'm going to use these oil pastels. First I will color here green. I have colored here light green, as you can see here. Now I'm going to color here light blue. I have colored here light blue. Now add these portions, means above the green part I'm going to color yellow, and below the blue part here I'm going to color yellow both the sides. So I will show you. So I have colored here yellow. Now I will color here red. As you can see, I have colored. No problem if gaps are remaining. Now I will take an orange color. This is the orange color, and I am going to color on the red like this. So let's start coloring. So as you can see, I have colored orange. Now I will take paints. These paints I'm going to take. I'm only going to use this black color So we will start. First, I'm going to draw 3 mountains at this place. 1, 2, 3. I will show you. So as you can see, now I have drawn the mountain. Now I am going to draw 2 downside facing mountains correct here. I will show you. As you can see, I have drawn here 2 mountains. Now as I have drawn here mountains, I am going to draw here 2 mountains. And if they go in this yellow part, no problem. So now as you can see, I have drawn mountains. Now I'm going to draw here few grass leaving little of space. I will show you. So now as you can see, I have drawn here grass with black pen. I have chosen black because it will only look so neatly if you take any other color. And here pencils, sketches or markers don't work out while doing, because as it is crayon, it will not look also, it will not shade. So I'm using paints. If paints are not available, then you may you have to try markers, sketches. So now I'm going to draw here one coconut tree. So friends, as you can see here, I have drawn here one coconut tree. Now as it is a daytime, I'm going to draw here one sun with its show, means I'm going to show a little shadow. Now I have drawn sun with little one cloud and some crows fly. So our daytime part is ready. Now let it dry. After drying, I will draw here night time, which I'm going to show you. It's so easy. So friends, now it is dry. I will make it reverse. Now we are going to draw night time. First I will draw here one moon. With moon I have drawn here water and here one coconut tree also. So here we need only crayons, we don't need any paint and all. Now I will take black color crayon and color everywhere except these drawings. I will show you. So now as you can see, I have colored here black. It is not neat, means it is not looking good, but when you will color, it will be so nice. So now I will take this blue color and I'm going to color this water. I will show you. So now as you can see here, I have colored here blue. Now I am going to color here middle gaps brown, and these all green. I will show you. So I have colored now. It's almost ready. Now as I am using the oil pastel crayons, an extra layer has come. This extra layer I am going to remove. So with the crayon box, they will provide an scraping tool, which I don't have now. So for instant, means it's so easy, I'm going to use a sharpener to remove that extra layer. So as you can see here, now I have removed everything extra layer. This side and this side I have removed. So now our pencil box, means your pencil box is ready. Now we are going to keep pencils or anything else. I will show you. So as you can see here, I have put the pencils and all in this. When it is daytime, you are going to use this, and if it's night time, we will keep here like this. It will look so gorgeous, and it will be so nice and so good, and it will make more happier for children if you make them. So thank you for watching. For coloring also you can use these wax crayons also. No matter, I have DOMS. If you have any Camlin or anything else, you can use that also. So friends, it is an video which I have made before. It is an poem. It is a poem on International Families Day. So it's time to like here, then subscribe, and after subscribe hit the bell icon so that whenever we put update any videos you can get it. And also share, you can share your messenger, direct message, tweet, WhatsApp, newsfeed, means for Facebook. You can copy, Bluetooth, Gmail, and etc. Like this you can do. And you can also comment here. And at last, thank you for watching our video. Bye.